We use roads every day, to get to work, pick up the groceries or all set off on a road trip. Most people don't get all that excited by the drive itself. Today let's take a look into the most incredible and dangerous road in the world. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click the notification button for more amazing videos. Let's begin. Number 5. Kolyma Highway and Lena Highway, also famous as the Road of Bones. This road is in Russia. The length of this road is 1,914 miles, that is, 3,080 kilometers. It is danger because of the extreme weather, unpaved roads, ice, mud, low visibility. Travel through Siberia is always a challenge. This Siberian road from Magadan to Never meanders its way through one of the coldest regions in the world. It is a combination of two highways, the R504 Kolyma Highway and the A360 Lena Highway, both of which are subject to the same dangers. The highways are joined by the Lena River Ice Road, which is exactly what it sounds like, a road across the river that is open yearly from December through April, when the ice is frozen enough to drive on, or so one hopes. Sadly, dozens lose their lives each year when their vehicles fall through the ice. Number 4. Goliang Tunnel Road. Goliang Tunnel Road is an amazing 0.75 miles or 1.2 kilometers long mountain road in China. The creation of this road is unbelievable. Before its construction there had been a very dangerous path, with narrow step stairs which didn't have any handrails. Maximum elevation 2,000 feet, that is 600 meters. The tunnel is 15 feet high and 12 feet wide, barely wide enough for 2 cars. Taking 5 years to build, the road was opened to traffic in 1977. Beware. This road is particularly dangerous when it rains. Number 3. Zoji La Pass. It is located in India. Its length is 5.6 miles, that is 9 kilometers. Maximum elevation of this road is 11,575 feet, that is 3,528 meters. It is danger because of extreme weather, no guardrails, steep cliffs, narrow, unpaved. Just about any road that winds through the highest mountain range in the world would probably be at least somewhat dangerous to travel. The road zigzags among craggy peaks, at over 11,000 feet at its highest elevation. Zoji Pass is generally closed during the winter, when 50-foot snowdrifts make it impassable. Mercifully for drivers on the road, Zoji Pass is only about 9 kilometers long. Number 2. North Yungas Road, also known as the Road of Death. It is in Bolivia. Its length is 49.7 miles, approximately 80 kilometers, and maximum elevation is 15,256 feet, approximately 4,650 meters. It is danger because of landslides, rock falls, fog, cliffs, narrow, no guardrails. The Road of Death is almost 50 miles of one-lane road, featuring vertical drops of as much as 3,000 feet into the Amazon rainforest below. Astonishingly, the road has over 200 hairpin turns. The worst part of the road has now been bypassed by a 2-lane paved road, so vehicle traffic on the road has diminished. But cyclists still challenge the Road of Death, some dying in the process. Number 1. Killar to Pangy Road, via Kishtwar in India. Its length is 70.8 miles, approximately 114 kilometers, and the maximum elevation of this road is 8,280 feet, around 2,524 meters. It is danger because of steep cliffs, no guardrails, unpaved, mud. This hair-raising road is only for people who love to drive in the mountains and have nerves of steel. Open only during the summer months, this rocky, gravelly road is about 70 miles long. A 6-mile stretch of it is particularly hazardous. Rocky overhangs look as if they could fall upon the roadway at any moment. The road was built hundreds of years ago by local villagers and has not been repaired over the decades. Would you drive on any of these crazy roads? Let us know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in next video.